Hello everyone, thank you very much for coming back to my YouTube channel World of TREDEC, reviewing desktop models. Very impressive this one. This is from the 70s, early 70s. It is a full metal aircraft in 1/100 scale. It's too heavy. This is the Fokker F-28 Fellowship MK. As you see, it is printed on the white stripe, MK 4000. It is with a very impressive and nice early livery from the 70s, when the Fokker company began to manufacture this wonderful aircraft. The description about this very stunning livery is the four-colored livery. The orange at the top, the brown and white stripes on the middle, and light gray at the bottom, even the wings. So the Fokker logo on the engine, brown engine, PH-MPD, the other letters at the back, and the F-28 at the tail, in the tail, printed with these circles. Typical of these aircraft, there were some chips on some corners. I had to retouch them. Even this part of the tail was kind of broken, a little bit broken, only the painting. So I repaired it with stickered vinyl with the same orange tone, and this part either. Well, let's check more things about this big and heavy aircraft. The black nose, typical from that age. The other side with it is looking like this is a big or large water sticker applied because of these yellowed surroundings. The same name, the windows, the cockpit outside. I mean the windscreen. Very shiny this model. Very nice finishing. I really admire these kind of models. When I was a child, I was admiring the models displaying at the travel agencies, and I recognize them like they are not a toy, they are just for displaying, etc. Wow, I love this shininess. Nice, very nice model. Let's check the stunning display stand. It is made it is metallic, with the name of the aircraft printed, originally printed, Fokker F-28 Fellowship. It is completely made in metal, and the bag, well, typical with scratches, because of putting on the tables and other surfaces. And this is where it, the company which manufactured it, made in Holland, original, for model manufactured full metal by Matthijs M. Verkuil at Bad Hoverdorp, Netherlands, from the 70s. That's very impressive. I retouched these zones. They were kind of erased. That's registration Papa Hotel Mike Papa Delta. Look at this shyness. I insist about it. Very exclusive model, very too heavy. And let me make some cleanings to increase the shyness. Love it. Beautiful model, beautiful aircraft from the 70s, very vintage, classic, etc. What else can I say about it? It's stunning, very beautiful. Let's check this with this how to call it, close-up. This wonderful aircraft. Well, this is all about this review. Thank you very much for watching this, and let's go on to the next review. Bye bye.